शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरम आसनम आत्मनः नात्युच्चित्रतम नातिनीचम चैलाजीन कुशलोत्तरम. Hello friends, this is the 11th shlok of the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Shucho deshe pratisthapya, which means to sit in a clean place. Sthiram asanam atmanah, which means make a stable seat for yourself. Nati uchitratam nati nicham, which means neither too high nor too low. Chaila jina kushottaram, which means put cloth over the deer skin, over the kush grass. So, from this shlok onwards, Sri Krishna is coming back to the exercises on how to control your mind. So, at the end of last chapter, Sri Krishna had described how to stop the force of emotions taking over you, and there he said that you can avoid those forceful emotions by closing your eyes, removing the external impulses or external senses, and by taking deep breath in and out, you can bring your mind in control. So that was the description on how one can bring the mind in control in a particular situation. From now onwards, Sri Krishna actually is describing how to make this controlled mind a characteristic of yourself. And so for that, what he is now going to describe are some of the exercises that a person can perform in order to bring his mind in control at all the times. And so these exercises are very important and everybody should perform them. In our daily life, we put in a lot of emphasis on learning to do exercises for our physical body, because those are the exercises which most of the people do them because they want to look good, but also they are important because in our daily life, if we want to perform any sort of a physical activity, then for that we need to have a strong body. And so to live a good life, it is very important for us to have a strong body. And so most of the people understand the importance of that, and so they do give importance to the exercises for the physical body. But at the same time, in order to live a good life, we need a very disciplined mind also. So to build a disciplined mind, we also need to perform mental exercises, and that is what Sri Krishna is going to describe over here. For our own wellness, we need a strong mind. Our mind actually is just like our muscles. When we perform exercises on our muscles become strong. Similarly, when we perform exercises on our mind also becomes strong. When our mind becomes strong, then it can handle all these stresses and strains that we experience in our life. And so it is very important for us to build a very strong mind. And Sri Krishna starts to describe how to get that strong mind by giving instructions to Arjun on how to prepare for that. And so in this shlok, he is just telling Arjun that basically prepare for yourself a seat wherein you take a kush grass and you cover it up with deer skin, and then you cover that deer skin up with cloth. And so that will be the seat for you to perform that exercise. And that exercise you should perform at a place which is clean, and which is something which keeps your mind stable, because if you see dirty things around you, then your mind cannot really be stable. What you need is a clean place, you need a beautiful place. And so Sri Krishna is over here telling Arjun that you should prepare this seat and prepare a clean place, a place which keeps your mind calm. If you want to make it beautiful, that is even better, that will even further calm your mind down. So prepare a seat for yourself at a place like this. And what he's then going to tell is something we'll discuss in the next few shloks. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.